Modern Hyundais aren't just wired, they're networked, and P1676 means that network is losing communication.
You might notice an airbag light, ADAS glitches, ABS warnings, or a scan tool that can't see modules. That's why the car can feel electrically haunted. Messages time out, modules drop offline, then return. Here's the anatomy. Many modules share one twisted pair, broadcasting and listening on the same bus. Traffic stays orderly using arbitration and acknowledgements, so critical data gets through when the network is healthy. Safety systems depend on predictable timing, so even small communication errors can ripple into big warnings. The scan tool and gateway modules also rely on this bus, so instability can block full diagnostics. P1676 is often triggered by resistance in connectors, corrosion, or loose pin fit that distorts signals. If the twist geometry changes or the pair is damaged, the differential signal loses its noise immunity. Low system voltage or a weak ground can cause voltage dips that make modules reset and drop off. After collision work, harnesses can get pinched or stretched, creating intermittent opens that look random. A failing clock spring can interrupt steering wheel circuits and sometimes disturb nearby network wiring during rotation. Aftermarket electronics can inject noise or load circuits, turning clean signaling into errors across the bus. Professionals start with context: which modules are online, which are missing, and when the faults happen. Next comes basics: battery health, charging stability, then voltage drop checks on power and ground paths. For intermittence, a controlled wiggle test can reveal a brake that only shows under movement. Waveform inspection confirms reality. Reflections suggest termination issues, while noise and sag point to wiring or grounds. After module replacement, correct initialization may be required, so the unit rejoins the network with valid parameters. Lockencal's takeaway: P1676 is a network integrity warning. Diagnose with evidence, repair root causes, then verify every system.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Lockencal for more content like this.